gosh, I'm obsessed. Welcome back to my channel. So today, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I'm over summer. I'm just over it. I'm completely over it. I'm ready for fall. I'm ready for fall looks. I don't know if you guys saw my vlog, my weekly vlog, but homegirl ended up with a cold sore. It actually surprisingly went away really fast. Now it's just like healing, so it's perfectly fine. I'm going to be really careful though when I do my makeup. I'm actually just gonna fast forward through the face. You guys have seen me do my face so many times, and I'm gonna come back when it's time to do eyes and lip. Alright y'all, so my base is done. I have foundation and concealer and brows on. So I'm going to be using my James Charles palette because this palette has the colors that I am looking for, I guess. Basically, yes. Yes, this right here is going to be perfect. I don't know the name. Oh shoot. I know they have names, but they're not on the palette itself. So I'm like low-key excited, y'all. I have not really played in makeup in a hot ass minute. So first color we're gonna go in with is this yellowy one. So we're gonna do that all over the lid, you guys. But fall is literally like a vibe, okay? My thing is, you know what's crazy? I feel like my least favorite season is winter, and I was born in the winter. I think I'm just gonna do one eye at a time. So next, I'm thinking this color right here. It's like a taupey kind of color, and I'm gonna put this one in the crease. So next I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and that one is gonna be like in the crease. Like, I'm gonna mix these two colors right here. Let's see. Yes, I'm gonna focus it like right here and then like lightly. Ooh, wait. Okay, so now that that part is done, I know it looks really crazy, but we're gonna take this color right here, this one, and I'm just gonna take some of that with more of like a I'm all over the place. With more of a precision brush, more precise in the crease, and like spread some of this. Okay. I'm gonna go back with that taupe color and kind of like blend this out. I always like to, even if you feel like it looks crazy in the moment, I always like to just see it through. Just see it through, you know, because you just never know. I think the look is actually a halo eye, if I'm not mistaken. It's like a really, like, it's barely a halo, but there is some darkness in the inner corner, so we're gonna have to do that. Okay, not bad. We're getting somewhere. Okay, I feel like, should I leave it like this and kind of, yeah, I'm gonna leave it like this for now, and I'm gonna deepen it up after I put the lid color on. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of concealer. A little bit of concealer. Alright, and so for the lid, I'm going to be taking this color, Rata. This color is just like the one in the picture. Yes. You know whose makeup I have been loving lately? Princess May, Bretman Rock sister. Y'all, her makeup and like just everything that she's been doing with her page, like her Instagram. I'm obsessed. Like, she looks so good. I have this Inglot glitter that I have not used in a minute. I feel like it'd be a really good topper. I can't even tell you which color it is because I don't know. Now that that part is done, you guys, this is an eyeball. I'm kind of just gonna go back and do a little bit of detailing and really add some depth and dimension. Alright, y'all, so both eyes are done and I'm about to put on lashes. So you ever have like an eye look and then sometimes like your lashes just be outshining the eye look itself? So that's what we're not doing today. Also, I'm pretty sure both eyes are completely different. This eye never wants to give the program as far as like a halo goes. I do have a little liner. Ugh, why did I say it like that? I have this liner and I want to put a little bit on the waterline just to like, you know, really pull in that like that look. Blend some of this. I love a smoky under eye. For some reason it was like the lash did not want to stick. Stay hydrated. Oh my goodness. It's been a minute since I've had this much eyeshadow on, so my eyes are like, bitch, what the fuck? Alright guys, so we're gonna finish the face. I just have to put on bronzer, blush, and highlight, which I haven't been highlighting. I'm going to warm up this forehead. Ooh, this is like sultry sexy, like, oh my goodness. Oh, who is she? Warm up these cheeks. So for highlighter, I'm gonna use a Beauty Bakery highlighter. This is in the color Glazed. And you guys can see, I'm not ODing with the highlighter like I used to, because I feel like my skin is just naturally glowing these days. And now for blush. Okay, so I'm gonna do my lips. I definitely think for a look like this, we need more of a neutral lip. So I have my Inglot lip liner in the color, fuck if I know. Yeah, I don't know. And then I have a, what is this called? A liquid lip as well. I'm going to really avoid the area. But as far as pictures go, like if you guys see pictures, I most likely like photoshopped it. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this gloss to kind of blend it. Alright, so I'm gonna let my hair down and I'm gonna show y'all the final look. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. Oh my gosh, yes, get into it. So I love the locks with this look, and I have like this idea in my head of like pictures I'm gonna upload to Instagram. So by the time you guys see this video, the pictures will be up the same day, if not before. My edges are growing in a little bit. I need to oil them more, honestly. I just don't. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of this look. Let me know if you guys want more like makeup tutorials, and if you do, like if you want them to be more like this, where they're just like color and fun and just, you know, not so like plain and boring. But I definitely think this is like a really nice intro to fall. But yeah, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. And as always, I love you guys so much. Bye.